Hello, everyone. Let us open the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 9, verse 10. It says, "Whatsoever thy hand findeth to do, do it with all thy might, for there is no work, no device, no knowledge, nor wisdom in the grave whither thou goest." Here, Solomon was telling us that the only time that you can do whatever you can find to do with all your mind, or gather all the knowledge that you can get, or use all the devices, or gather all the wisdom that you will need in life, it is when you are alive. Because wherever you are going in the grave, there is no such thing as wisdom, there's no knowledge, there's no device, and there is no work. So I am saying to you today, any opportunity that comes your way, do all your best to maximize this. Do all your best to maximize this. Make sure that you do something with that knowledge that you have. Make sure that those posts that you see that you qualify for, apply for them. Make sure that any chance that you get an opportunity to share the wisdom of God that is in you, or that you have used and it helps somebody that is in the same situation you were with, share it with them, because there is no other place to do that except here on earth. Because the place of the grave, there is no such an opportunity. It is eternity. It's either you are in heaven or you are in hell. So I am saying to you today, open your eyes. The Bible also says that the blessing of the Lord maketh rich, and it adds sorrow. It adds no sorrow. So the blessing of the Lord is the one that brings opportunities for us to share the wisdom of God with people, for us to gather information, for us to use whatever devices that are available for us, for us to do the work or to do business. Then the blessing will now make you rich when you maximize that opportunity that it attracts to you. Stay blessed. Make sure that you make use of whatever it is available for you. Stay blessed.